Start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Muhammad Salman, and I am a software engineer from Iqra University. Today I am going to present my poster presentation, whose project is agricultural drone. And my other group members are Iqbal Anas, Ismail Ishaq, and Amima Khan. So, after this, I would like to introduce Iqbal Anas, who will describe the objective of this project.
Assalamu alaikum. Iqbal Anas here, and I am going to define objective and key features of our project. As we all know that the weather of Pakistan is becoming hotter day by day. Not only Pakistan, but the whole globe is affected due to the global warming, and the main reason of is the deforestation or the lack of trees. The rate of deforestation is increasing very rapidly, and so we need the same type or the same level of innovation and dedication to compete the global warming and to restore our ecosystem. The main objective of our project is to make the drone capable, is to increase or speed up the rate of reforestation, increase the rate of seeding to reduce global warming and increase the plantation. Our project has mainly 4 features. The one is indicate the area which is the higher temperature, or the temperature feels like more than the actual temperature. It means that that area has lack of trees or deforestation. So the second one is that indicated area. The second feature of our project is to find out the area which is fertilized, or the fertilized surface or the soil. So the third feature of our project or our drone is to count the trees, is to count expected trees to be planted, and finally once all 3 stages are done or the conditions are true, then our drone is firing or dropping the seeds. These mainly 4 features. Now I am inviting Ismail Ishaq to proceed further. Thank you.
Thank you, Iqbal Anas. Iqbal Anas have already discussed all the features. Iqbal, can you please let aside? Thank you. Okay. So, the motto and the purpose to develop this drone is to restore our forest system. The technology which we are going to use is going to scale up, and it is going to regreen our earth. The ecosystem which we have lost, we are going to restore it again. This is a new step change, that we are going to plant billion of trees every year. With a team of developers, with a team of passionate developers and designers, we have come to an idea that we are going to plant billion of trees every year using digital intelligence and automation. Now let's proceed further and discuss the mechanism of this drone, how this drone technology will work. At the beginning phase, and in the key features, my colleague Iqbal has already discussed 4 phases of our drone system. But let me tell you how actually it is going to work. The first step is detection of temperature. And how we are going to detect the temperature? Through AccuWeather, APIs and geolocation, we are going to measure and detect the temperature of the current location where we are standing, and those areas which are affected by global warming, and how we know that that area is affected by global warming. You may feel sometime, or you may have checked out that if the temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, but it feels like 30 degrees centigrade, it means that area is affected by global warming. And this is the issue which we in Pakistan are facing a lot. And we are the third country that we are facing global warming. After detection of temperature, the second phase is detection of soil. With the help of deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, we are going to train a model which will detect those areas, those land in which the fertility, the rate of fertility is high, where we can plant seeds, where the plant can grow, which land is fertilized. With the help of colors of sands, we are going to detect the land or the soil. And the last but not the least step is dropping of seeds, is firing of seeds to those areas where we have already detected the soil. And this is not just a drone. This is a drone which will save millions of lives of humans, animals, plants, and every system. So, to go further, I would like to call my group member Amima to present and let you know the scope of this drone.
I'm Amima Khan. I want to describe the scope of our project. The scope of our project is to design an autonomous drone which help to decrease the global warming of our world. This drone is used by agricultural engineer, and it's overcome the rate of pollution. It helps agricultural engineers to grow plantations in short interval of time. And in our research, human beings need 1200 liters oxygen per day, but a fully grown plant produce 60 liter oxygen per day. So it means a human body can need 20 plants per day. So our drone is drop 1000 seeds per day. So per day, then it overcome the rate of the global warming, and it increase the oxygen. It increase the oxygen. So I would like to explain Salman to conclude this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amima. After concluding this topic, जैसा कि हम सब बात कर चुके हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट क्या करने जा रहा है, किस तरीके से करने जा रहा है और क्या क्या इसके अंदर होने जा रहा है। अब तकरीबन हमें इस बात को कंक्लूड इसलिए मैं उर्दू में कर रहा हूँ ताकि व्यूअर्स को पता चले कि क्या होने जा रहा है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर। अब इन्होंने एक एक स्टेप आपको करके बता दिया कि क्या होने जा रहा है, क्या की फीचर्स इसके अंदर इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं और किस तरीके की टेक्नोलॉजी और मैकेनिज्म के अंदर ये इस्तेमाल हो रहा है। लेकिन क्या क्या यूज़ होने जा रहा है टूल्स, कुछ ये टूल्स हैं आपके सामने लिस्ट डाउन किए हुए हैं और कुछ टूल्स ये हैं जो आगे जाके यूज़ होंगे मगर यहाँ पे लिस्टेड नहीं है। जैसे कि ओपन सी हम यूज़ करेंगे हमारे फेस डिटेक्शन और इमेज डिटेक्शन के लिए। इसी तरीके से एनाकोंडा एक फ्रेमवर्क है जिसके अंदर हम पाइथन के ऊपर काम करते हैं। जेक्यूरी और यहाँ पे बूटस्ट्रैप वगैरह इस वजह से लिखे गए हैं कि हम वेब एप्लीकेशन बनाए जा रहे हैं जिसके ऊपर ये पूरा काम होने जा रहा है। और साथ साथ इन्होंने इसके ऊपर फ़ायदे भी आपको बता दिए, इन्होंने एक एक चीज़ बता दी और यही हमारा एक तरीके से गोल था जिसको हमने अचीव किया। और ये गोल अचीव करना आसान नहीं था हमारे लिए, मगर हमने बहुत मुश्किलों से हल किया और इस गोल को हमने अप्रोच किया। और मैं इस बात के लिए शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ, तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ अपने सर का जिन्होंने हमें पढ़ाया सर मोहम्मद आसिम ने, और इसके अलावा सर मंसूर इब्राहिम जो हमारे सुपरवाइज़र रहे थे, उन सब ने बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन इसके अंदर किया, जिसकी वजह से हमारी ये रिपोर्ट कंपाइलेशन हो सकी और हमें काबिल हो सकी कि हम इस प्रेजेंटेशन को दे सकें। तो अब मैं सारे ग्रुप मेंबर्स को इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा, वो यहाँ पर आ जाएं और थोड़ा ज़रा बात को कन्वे करते हैं।
जी स्पेशली सर मंसूर का थैंक यू, हमारे सुपरवाइजर का, हमारे जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू एंड होप फॉर वी टू। थैंक यू।
Thank you.